Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Mizuho Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First unlock your iPhone and locate the Mizuho mobile banking app on your home screen. Next tap the app once to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security reminder. When the app opens, you will see the Mizuho welcome screen. Put your security. Always make sure you are logged in from a safe and private environment. Step 3. Enter your login ID. Next tap on the login file and enter your login ID or user ID. This is the ID you received when you registered for Mizuho online or mobile banking. Step 4. Authenticate with password or biometrics. Now enter your password. If Face ID or Touch ID is enabled, you can simply look at your screen or place your finger on the home button to log in quickly. Step 5. Additional security verification. For added protection, Mizuho Bank may request extra verification such as a one-time password, in-app confirmation, or authentication via a security token. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. And that's how you can log in into Mizuho Bank on an iPhone. Now you can check your amount balance, transfer funds, review transactions, or manage your banking using the Mizuho app. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.